Brittany Robertson, developer advocate. Today, I'm building out a site using Aero AI Builder for Aisha Mohammed Consulting, based out of London, UK. The services that her company offers include operations strategy, growth planning, change in leadership for organizations across Europe and East Africa. So we're going to need the pages, homepage, the professional bio included on that, services, case studies, client testimonials, a contact form, and an accessibility statement. I want this to include charcoal and warm gold colors and have the font be a little bit extra big. Let's see what Aero can build for us. While Aero AI Builder is working behind the scenes, it has questions like, what's the primary goal for the website? I'm going to say that we want to generate client inquiries and leads. Desired brand and personality, let's go with approachable and collaborative. Aero AI Builder has come back with the design, and it's asking me how I think about it. I'm going to say this looks great. We see operations, growth planning, change leadership. I'm not sure that I want that alignment, so I'm going to ask it to correct that. There we go. This looks a little better. I prompted it to align the left-hand column to the right with the yellow bars there, and then the right-hand column aligning the text to the left. All right, let's build out the services page next. All right, Aero AI Builder has come back with the services page. Let's take a look at it. This is looking good. And of course, at any time, if you want to change anything, you can grab the pencil above and modify yourself or edit with AI. Growth planning. All of these are looking really good. Change leadership, how I work, and schedule a consultation and view some case studies. So what I would like to do next is let's go build out the case studies page. Case study page has come back from Aero AI Builder. Let's take a look. I really like how the icons are placed and that they're sharing different nationalities that they've worked with, parts of the globe. I felt like any of these case studies needed a little bit more work. Let's update the case studies to show client challenge, approach, and measurable outcomes for each. Results are in, and it's expanded to more clearly define. Here's the client challenge, here's what the approach is, and here are the measurable outcomes. All right, let's take a look at the testimonials page next. Our testimonials page is looking really good. I like how it breaks up the visual flow from the quotes and then has different types of descriptions below. Let's get that contact form next. Our contact page has come back. Let's take a look through. I could tab through. That's really important for accessibility reasons. This is a website based in the UK, and so that's going to be the first country listed. So areas of interest are related. Tell me about the challenge. They give us a clear description on what to expect. You would need to go in and change this contact information if that's not actually the domain name that you end up with on the site later. Lastly, we're going to look at the accessibility page. You can build this page inside of the window where the page is, or over on the left-hand side in the chat area. Let's build out the page and see the results. So our website has come back with our accessibility statement. You'll know based upon your locale what you need to include. European folks need to be aware of the EU's requirements around accessibility on your websites. Knowing that this is for a site in the UK, we're good to go on our accessibility statements for this demo. What I would like to do differently is take it out of the top nav. I feel like that top nav is starting to get a little crowded. I see this page is linked in the footer. Please remove it from the top nav menu. That came back quickly. It took it right out of the top menu. Next up, what does the schedule a consultation button do? We now have our schedule consultation page, but there are parts of our website where it also links review the entire site or any other buttons that should go to the consultation page. So our schedule a consultation page is working, and we prompted Aero to go back and test all the forms. Always important to test before launch. I think that we're about ready to hit publish. All right. I think we're ready to publish.